welcome to Srinivandas. So in today's video I am going to tell math puzzles. Okay, so I'll show you the first one. What goes into the empty brackets? 2 bracket 38 3 4 bracket 1 5 2 4 5 6 bracket 3 5 4 8 7 8 and 9. You need to find what is there in the bracket and what is there between 8 and 9. In the bracket what is there you need to find out. Okay, I'll give you 5 seconds of time. So the time is up. Now I'll tell the answer. See, 2 into 2 is 4. Now 4 minus 1 is 3. We have got the first number. Okay, so here all we need to multiply and subtract to get the numbers in the bracket. Okay, now here 3 into 3, which is 9, minus 1 is 8. Now 4 into 4 is 16, minus 1 is 15. Now 5 into 5 is 25, minus 1 is 24. Now 6 into 6 is 36, minus 1 is 35. Now 7 into 7 is 49, minus 1 is 48. So till now we are doing multiplication and subtraction. Okay, so now we will do the same for 8 and 9 also to find the number in the bracket. 8 into 8 is 64. 64 minus 1 is 63. Now for 9 also the same process. 9 into 9 is 81. 81 minus 1 is 80. So we'll write here 80. So 6380 is there in the bracket. So we have found the answer. So let's go to the next one. So this is the next puzzle. Number plus number is equals to 15. Number plus number is equals to 10. Number plus number is equals to 10. Number minus number is equals to 6. So we need to get these answers. Okay, when we add, subtract in these boxes, what are the numbers to add correctly and subtract to get all the sums correct? What are the numbers you need to find out? Okay, even I will also try with different numbers. So I will try with first number 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. And 5 plus 10 is 15. Now 5 plus 5 is 10. But 10 minus 5 is 5. That's correct. But here 6 is there. So 10 minus 5 we need the number. We need to get 6. So we need to do with one more number. So let's rub off. So now I will do with 4. 4 plus 6 is equals to 10. 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. And 4 plus 11 is equals to 15. Now 11 minus 4 is 7 but not 6. So this is also wrong. So now I'll try with 4.5. 4.5 plus 5.5 is equals to 10. Now 4.5 plus 10.5 is equals to 15. Now 5.5 plus 4.5 is 10. Now 10.5 minus 4.5 is equals to 6. So this is all correct. So in the bracket 4.5, 5.5, 10.5 and 4.5 will be. Okay. So thank you everyone. Bye. And do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Srinivan Bye bye.